How can I check if the student photographs have been successfully uploaded on SchoolPad?
Thank you for your query, Rajveer sir. I will show you how you can check this. Once you have uploaded the photos using the bulk image upload option, under the Admit Student module, from the menu option look up search for Student List Report. Now click on Create New Report, and then select the classes for which you want to check that the student photos have been uploaded. Now scroll down and open the Profile Photo Selection panel and select Student. To sort the student list report class-wise, click on Sort By and select Class. Now click on Print button. And there you go. The report will display photographs that have been uploaded, while blank spaces indicate that photos for those students need to be uploaded. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.